One balloon tutorial.
What's big with a trunk? An elephant I thunk. Please welcome in class action.
Start by pumping up a 260 gray balloon and tie a knot. Leave a 10-centimeter tail. We're going to start with an apple twist. To do this, we're going to stick your finger through the nozzle and then grab the nozzle from the outside with your other hand. Push the two pieces of the balloon together. If you can, twist that apple twist into two, or else you can just leave it as it is. Now we're going to make a 4-centimeter bubble and a pinch twist. This makes the trunk of the elephant. Now make a 3-centimeter bubble and then a 5-centimeter bubble and tie it back to the trunk. This makes one ear. Now to make the other ear, we're going to do the same. So we're going to make a 3-centimeter bubble and then a 5-centimeter bubble and tie it back to the pinch twist. Now make a 3-centimeter bubble. Following this, we're going to make 4 4-centimeter bubbles. This makes the 4 limbs. Now to assemble this, we're going to tie the first and the last 4-centimeter bubbles together until it makes a square, and then tie it again in the middle. Now with the remaining balloon, make a little bubble for the tail, and then thread it through the hind legs. You can secure it better by threading it through once more. And the twisting part is complete. Onto the drawing. Grab a white marker and draw 2 upside-down semicircles for the eyes. We're going to draw 2 little triangles for the teeth. Now grab a black marker and outline the eyes and the teeth. We're also going to draw in some wrinkles on the trunk. We're going to use the blue to color in the eyes. And your balloon elephant is complete.
Wow, I have a balloon elephant. Please comment down below what you want us to make next time. Thank you, bye-bye.